Welcome to our channel, where we strive to provide you with the best educational resources and guidance. In this video, we will explore how to prepare for board exams. Board exams are crucial milestones in a student's academic journey, and proper preparation is key to achieving excellent results. By following the techniques and advice outlined in this video, you will be equipped with the tools necessary to excel in your upcoming exams. So, let's dive in. Section 1 Board exams are a vital milestone in a student's academic career. These exams evaluate your understanding of the entire syllabus and provide a measure of your knowledge and skills. Scoring well in board exams not only boosts your confidence but also opens up opportunities for higher education in reputed institutions. Therefore, it is crucial to approach your exams with a well-structured plan and a focused mindset. Effective study techniques. The first step towards board exam success is adopting effective study techniques. Here are some tried and tested strategies. Organize a study schedule. Plan your study sessions wisely and create a schedule that includes dedicated time for each subject. Prioritize according to the difficulty level and spend more time on challenging topics. Make concise notes. Summarize important concepts in your own words as you study. Creating concise notes helps in better understanding, quick revision, and retention of information. Practice solved question papers. Solving previous year's question papers gives you insight into the exam pattern and helps you become familiar with the types of questions asked. It also helps in identifying areas where you need to improve. Collaborate with study groups. Engaging in group discussions, where you can share knowledge, clarify doubts, and learn from your peers, can enhance your understanding of various subjects. Use mnemonic devices. Incorporate mnemonic techniques, such as acronyms or visual imagery, to memorize complex information easily. These techniques can be particularly helpful for subjects like science and history. Time management. Excellent time management skills are crucial for effective board exam preparation. Here's what you can do to manage your time efficiently. Set achievable goals. Break down your syllabus into smaller goals and set realistic targets for each study session. This approach will make your studying more manageable and prevent overwhelm. Avoid procrastination. Procrastination can be a major obstacle to exam preparation. Keep track of your progress, maintain discipline, and avoid delaying study sessions. Take regular breaks. Continuous studying can lead to burnout and reduced productivity. Schedule short, frequent breaks to relax and recharge your mind. Use this time for physical exercise or pursuing hobbies to maintain a healthy balance. Create a productive study environment. Designate a quiet, well-lit study space with minimal distractions. Keep all necessary study materials within reach to avoid wasting time searching for them. Utilize technology wisely. Leverage educational apps and online resources to enhance your understanding and widen your knowledge base. However, ensure that you use technology for productive purposes and avoid distractions. Stress management. Board exams often come with a significant amount of stress and anxiety. managing the stress effectively can have a positive impact on your performance. Here are some stress management techniques. Practice relaxation techniques. Engage in activities like deep breathing exercises, meditation, or yoga to reduce stress and anxiety levels. These techniques promote relaxation and improve concentration. Get enough sleep. Prioritize restful sleep as it plays a vital role in memory consolidation and cognitive functions. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule, avoid excessive screen time before bed, and create a calming bedtime routine. Stay physically active. Regular exercise can significantly reduce stress levels and enhance your overall well-being. Engage in activities like walking, jogging, or any form of exercise you enjoy. Seek support. Discuss your concerns and worries with parents, teachers, or trustworthy friends. Sharing your thoughts and seeking advice can often relieve stress and provide valuable insights. Avoid last-minute cramming. Distribute your study sessions evenly to prevent cramming all the information right before the exam. Last-minute cramming can heighten anxiety and lead to poor retention. Background music playing. You have now learned the essential strategies to effectively prepare for your board exams. Remember, success in board exams requires discipline, dedication, and a positive mindset. By implementing study techniques, managing your time efficiently, and practicing stress management techniques, you are on the path to achieving remarkable results. So, go ahead, put your best foot forward, and make the most of your exam preparation journey. Best of luck. Thank you for watching our video on how to prepare for board exams. We hope you found this guide informative and valuable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy studying and best wishes for your board exams.